Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. The first in my series about my fat Barbies. These Barbies may not seem to be fat, but it's definitely always a theme with women. Oh, my body's not as good as it should be. It should be thinner, it should be fatter, it should be more of everything. Well, that's what we spend a lot of time wasting on not accepting our bodies. But I want to talk about what you see here this time. You see two dolls with their heads in red high-heeled shoes. Their feet, as you can see here, are in something that's kind of like snow. So this is rather upside down because their shoes should be on their feet and their heads should not be hidden in the ground, in the shoes, in the snow. The head should be out so they can use them to think. But they're not. They are also branded, as you can see here. Look at this little brand mark on Barbie's back end. It says Barbie on this side, and on the other side you'll see it on her back. It not only says Barbie, it gives you all the information of the company that made her and that made such a big impression on us when we were girls and is still making a big impression on girls today. So let's talk about shoes. Shoes have been used in fairy tales and tales of all kinds through the centuries. We could talk about Hans Christian Andersen and the story of the red shoes, which Estes, Clarissa Pinkola Estes used in her famous book, Women Who Run with Wolves, in German, Die Wolfsfrau. It was a very important book for women, for us all in the 90s. And those are red shoes. Then we have Cinderella, whose sisters cut off their toes. Blut im Schuh, blood in the shoes, so they could fit into the shoes. We have the Little Mermaid, who didn't even have feet and shoes and legs unless it was involved with much pain, so she could get her prince. We have a lot of stories using the shoes. The red shoes have been a symbol of prostitution, but also a symbol of eroticism for women in general. So this is a theme, and my Barbies are stuck in these red shoes. And so that's the start of this series on my Fat Barbies. You're welcome to come back and join me next week. Okay, bye-bye for now.